My name is Patty Ford, and I want to thank you for joining me for the IPedge Unified Communications session. Our agenda for this module is to review the Unified Communications or UC definitions and benefits, and we'll see how the following provide a comprehensive Unified Communication solution: IPedge Call Manager Advanced, Call Management Tool, Mobility, Conferencing and Collaboration, and Messaging. Toshiba defines Unified Communications, or UC, as a means of creating a more effective business by providing real-time integration of business applications with interpersonal communications, or as Communications-Enabled Business Process, CEBP. It sounds great in theory, but it's only meaningful if it provides tangible benefits, like increasing productivity, improving customer service, generating sales, reducing costs, and increasing profits. Following are several examples of how Toshiba's UC provides these benefits. Improving employee productivity by allowing them to make better and faster decisions. Improving the quality and value of integrated voice and data communications to improve customer service and generate more sales. Improving profits by reducing long-distance telephony charges, lowering capital cost, providing real-time collaboration, improving administrative management and administrative cost. And finally, improved efficiencies enabling collaboration for faster revenue growth, smarter use of employee capital, and a reduction of their carbon footprint for road warriors, teleworkers, as well as office employees. IPedge UC creative solutions respond to today's business challenges with answers like presence. Users actually see the telephone busy or idle status of coworkers as well as their calendar status from Outlook integration and can simply click to call them. Instant messaging. If users are on a call, they can click on a name to send an instant message or a chat. Mobile Unified Communications can message a user on their office telephone, their PC, or their smartphone when they're away from their desk. CRM integration, or Customer Relationship Management integration, saves time for answering personnel and provides better service by immediately indicating which customer is calling with screen pop integration and a variety of mobility applications and more. In today's global business environment, most companies are experiencing continually increasing business pressures, regardless of the company's size. Not all companies experience the same pressure, but the results are amazingly alike. In order to compete effectively, they must become increasingly responsive, responding in real time to situations that impact the strength and well-being of their enterprise. For example, retailers need the ability to modify their supply chain in order to respond to unexpected demands for products at any of its stores. In this situation, real-time in the fashion market means having to respond in a matter of 2 or 3 days, while in the medical or security markets, real-time could mean responding in minutes. A key component of business responsiveness is the ability to contact the right person in a timely manner. 10 years ago, the majority of people spent most, if not all of their day at their desk and had one communications device, a desktop phone, and responsiveness was relatively easy to accomplish. However, today's businesses have workers that are highly mobile and or use many different devices and modes of communication. For example, wired phones, wireless phones, PDAs, email, fax, instant message, text messaging, audio conferencing, and video conferencing. IPedge Call Manager Advanced is a powerful desktop management application that integrates the most frequently used communication applications and services. IPedge Call Manager Advanced is a desktop unified communications workspace that supports a full range of communications features and applications. IPedge Call Manager Advanced provides a call processing application that provides traditional telephony features as well as advanced capabilities such as chat, presence, and call history. It facilitates call control and management and supports rich call center services. This powerful call processing and management solution can help build productivity with feature-rich unified communications that help workers spend less time chasing people and more time being productive. It enables mobility with IP mobility options so mobile workers can remain productive wherever they are, and it improves collaboration with a click. Start an instant message session, initiate a phone call, and even open a browser more easily. As we've stated, with increasingly busy schedules and dispersed workers, it's not always easy to reach the right people at the right time. We play phone tag, interrupt important meetings to take calls, and fly all over the world, all the while continuing to wrestle with an endless list of voicemails, emails, missed calls, and more. To avoid the delays in projects, incomplete decisions, and reduce employee performance resulting from this communication chaos, organizations need to simplify operations with solutions that connect people and information more quickly and efficiently. When people know the most effective way to contact their colleagues, they can quickly obtain information and get their work done rather than wasting time trying to track down the right person. This is one of the benefits of presence, knowing instantly whether someone is available to communicate and how. Is a colleague on the phone? With network presence, you can see the status of other users. Click on the name in an online directory to call or conduct an instant message chat session. Users decide which option is most efficient. These tools build a comprehensive advantage with faster answers, collaborate in real time, and respond quickly to customer needs. IPedge Call Manager Advanced Chat provides a secure private IM network for real-time communication and collaboration with in-house employees, remote locations, and remote workers. Call Manager Presence Viewer with Chat makes sure everyone is communicating with the right people when they're available, and it allows users to organize groups to reflect their corporate structure, develop contact lists in groups, immediately have access to the people they need even if they're on their phone, and use a real-time collaboration platform to get things done fast. IPedge Call Manager Advanced integrates users' most frequently used communications applications and services. Other standard IPedge Call Manager Advanced applications include Call History. This automatically creates a log of dialed and received calls on their local extension. The system can also track the user's call history, both incoming and outgoing calls, and even missed calls, like an automatic log or notepad. Using the call history, there's no need to search for a number again. Simply scan through the history and click to dial. With Directory and Speed Dial, there's a powerful set of directory features that allow users to look up and dial extensions with a click of the mouse. Employees really need a dynamic, always current contact list that incorporates everyone they're in contact with, not just other employees, but also suppliers and customers on their speed dial. Users are more productive as they search for colleagues and even external contacts. Power Dialer increases efficiency and reduces cost. Employees that are still manually dialing their phones to contact routinely called customers are not realizing maximum revenues per person. Power Dialer can increase outbound dials significantly, more than manual dialing. It is designed to help make the entire call optimized with power tools that automate mundane tasks. In a world in which economic drivers such as telecommuting and mobile workforces have created dispersed teams and added complexity to how people relate, the ability to communicate and share information in real time across a company's network is a distinct competitive advantage. With UC Mobility Solutions, employees can conduct business anywhere, anytime from a variety of devices. Customers can implement mobility across disparate networks, for example their LANs or WANs, Wi-Fi hotspots, and/or cellular networks. Barriers between personal, private, and public networks disappear, delivering consistent mobile contact. Our IPedge mobility solutions deliver these key capabilities by providing contact among people, sharing core information and business applications regardless of their locations. IPedge mobility applications improve productivity for businesses that need anywhere, anytime connectivity. Employees make accurate decisions based on timely information to meet revenue goals, improve customer satisfaction, and interact with partners. Employees working on several virtual teams juggle multiple roles and work locations but do not miss any important calls because of the flexibility of mobility and endpoint options. Whether the workplace is an airplane seat one day, a trade show booth the next, and a home or Wi-Fi hotspot the next day, mobility allows business to flow across mobile devices, PCs, laptops, and more. IP mobility, remote IP phones for teleworkers, Soft IPT, IPedge Call Manager Advanced with Voice over IP all support a number of mobility applications. Teleworking has emerged as an increasingly important component of the distributed workforce, allowing businesses to retain skilled employees by allowing them to work non-standard schedules at locations outside the office. Communication and collaboration play an essential role in employee productivity, so the ability to support teleworkers is a critical requirement. While most teleworkers have some level of data network access and integration from their home offices, they have historically lacked true voice network integration. Remote IP phones, Soft IPT, and IPedge Call Manager Advanced with Voice over IP can deliver the full range of telephony features and enables employees to feel like an integrated member of their company, even if they are geographically distant. In the old days, the corporation was a physical building where people went to work. However, things have changed dramatically. Many enterprises have more than one site. Sales staff are expected or even encouraged to spend most of their time with their customers and often don't even have an office with a desk. Many key employees actually work at customer locations. With this renewed focus on collaboration between employees, customers, and suppliers, IPedge moves beyond the single-site system to a network configuration that addresses the needs of the distributed organizations. Business requirements have increased dramatically, so now the successful enterprise must seamlessly act as a team with their customers. From specific phone calls to formal meetings, the voice system is a critical foundation for addressing these new requirements. IPedge enables conference calls, on the fly or scheduled, where off-site employees, customers, and suppliers can easily participate, sharing and/or collaborating on documents and/or other information. Provide recordings of audio conferences so that absent team members can review actions and decisions. Conferencing across multiple sites that can dramatically include any employee at the click of a button. Additional business requirements for conferencing and collaboration include presence management, so conference managers know whether an employee is online and available or if they're busy with a customer on the phone before they try their number. Make people easier to reach with call management tools so they can be located by the employee who's simply clicking a button or entering a single extension number. Enable staff located temporarily at their home offices or customer premises to remotely leverage the full range of features with Soft IPTs, a remote IP phone, or IPedge Call Manager Advanced with voice on their portable computers. Of course, all of these features should be easy to use so employees can spend their time doing their jobs rather than trying to figure out how to schedule a conference call. In many of today's businesses, people are connected better than ever. But to overcome the constraints of time and geography, many workers have found that various means of messaging aid collaboration technologies and allow people to work more conveniently with fellow team members and partners. Messaging assists individuals to work together in an organized fashion to share ideas and solve problems. Voicemail is one of the most significant communication technologies of the past decade. It enables people to access messages from virtually any location where a phone is available. Consider the amount of time it takes to receive these voicemail messages, in addition to email documents, faxes, and instant messages, let alone analyzing the content and responding. There is a solution that consolidates all of this information so that it can be managed more efficiently and effectively, and that is unified messaging. Unified messaging builds on the proven functionality and value of voicemail by integrating it with other messaging channels to include email and fax in a single mailbox. This offers expanded messaging and contact with management capabilities. With the unified messaging solution, users have the ability to access, manage, and reply to all messages from a PC, touch-tone telephone, wired or wireless, or PDA, smartphone from virtually anywhere. Unified messaging has proven to be a powerful tool in helping workers organize and manage not only voicemail, but all of their other non-real-time communications like email and fax. Unified messaging is an outgrowth of the success of voicemail, which continues to enjoy a must-have status in today's business environment. Various messaging tools are used by businesses large and small to increase productivity and efficiency while providing 24-hour responsiveness to callers. Workers can spend up to 58% of their workday away from their desk. Being out of touch half their workday can mean risking relationships that are increasingly essential in today's customer-centric economy. To remain competitive, an enterprise must consistently improve its communication abilities by enhancing contact tools for its workforce, customers, and partners. Efficient communication drives customer responsiveness and advances employee productivity. This results in increased satisfaction, retention, and loyalty for both customers and employees. UM, or Unified Messaging, enables the receiver to react to any message at any time, regardless of the format in which it was sent. Workers can access and manage messages using a PC, phone, smartphone, PDA, web browser, even listen to email messages over the phone via text-to-speech, and reply in the medium of choice, allowing users to use the most convenient application and device. Unified Communications with Unified Messaging enables organizations to operate more efficiently no matter where users access the system, the office, remote locations, or even if they're mobile. IPedge Unified Communications solutions help your customers respond to the challenges their businesses face every day. The IPedge Total Unified Communication solution, including applications like Presence, Instant Messaging, Mobile Unified Messaging, Customized Call Handling, CRM integration, mobility applications, and more, helps improve productivity and performance that can give your customers' business a competitive edge. For your customers, a unified communication solution will mean creating a more effective business by integrating business applications and processes with people communications. Our solution will be proven by tangible benefits, like improving employee productivity and streamlining business processes that enable them to make better decisions, improve customer service, generate more sales, reduce cost, and improve profits. Thank you for joining me for this session on IPedge Unified Communications. For additional detailed information, please review the full Unified Communications Accreditation Program on TTC.